Hi there. Today we're going to talk about YouTube automation. It's a new way to make money online, fully automated by AI, which you can start earning by AdSense and brand deals. I'm going to show you 5 websites which going to allow you to start your YouTube automation channel. First one is Copy AI. So let's jump straight to the website. First of all, you have to create your account, so click on Get Started and create your account. I'll create my account using Google. After you create your account, you have to respond to few questions. Now you're in dashboard. To create your video script, you have to create new project and ask for YouTube script for a video. Now click on Improve to let AI make your prompt better. Now Copy AI generated your video script. Now copy this script and go to the next website, 11labs.io. When you go to the website, first let's create an account. I'll sign up using Google again. After you created an account, let's hop into speech synthesis and paste your script. Remember to edit this script in proper way. You can choose voice you want to use. Also in Voice Lab, you can create your own voice. Now let's generate and download our voice. Now let's hop to the third website, Pictory AI. Let's create an account on this platform. I'll sign up using Google again. Now let's create new project. Paste your video script here. Choose your video template and generate a video. Now let's download our video and go to the next step. Now we're going to the fourth website, Canva.com. As standard, let's create an account using Google. Now let's create new design and paste our video and voice and download final video. edit this video in your way, and download to your computer. Last website ahead, Vidiq.com. Vidiq will help you with YouTube search optimization, keywords, title, etc. Let's sign up. You have to add your YouTube channel to Vidiq. Now you're in Dashboard where you can find a tools, which will be helpful in getting you video ready to upload like Keywords Generator or AI title recommendations. That's all you need to upload your first fully AI automated video to YouTube. Have fun.